Paige, and today I'll be showing you all of my puppy place books. So yeah, let's get started. First, I have Gordy. Gordy's a golden retriever. The book's on the back. Snowball. Snowball's a West Highland Terrier. And I have Gordy and Buddy, but I am getting Shadow. I'm getting Shadow. Buddy's a mutt of mostly Jack Russell Terrier and Golden Retriever, but also part Beagle. I learned it from Mocha. I read my library. Oh, and sorry, no books in the back. Patches is a Beagle. No books in the back. And I have 32 books, but I'm getting 6 more. Pugsley's a pug, and I have Patches and Noodle in the back. Maggie and Max. Maggie's a St. Bernardese. This book is one of my favorites. And no books on the back. Noodle's a golden doodle. Part golden retriever, part labradoodle. And no books on the back. This is also one of my favorites. Cody is a Dalmatian, and no books on the back. Honey's a yellow lab, and I have all the books on the back. Bear's a husky, and I just need Princess, which should come in July 1st. I've been waiting a very long time. Lucky's a mutt. It doesn't say what kind of mutt he is. So. I just need Jack, but I ordered Jack, so yay. Sweetie's a miniature poodle. And again, I just need Jack, which I ordered. Chewy and Chica are Chihuahuas. And I have all the books on the back. Baxter's a Porky Cheese water dog. And I just need Jack once again. Oh my god, my books are a mess. Whatever. Muttley's a mutt. Part German Shepherd, part Walker Hound, and there is my pile of dumb books. Whatever. Bella's a Cocker Spaniel, and I just need Ziggy and Moose. Sorry, I didn't let it focus in. Bandit's just Shih Tzus, and Bandit was the first ever puppy face book I collected. And I just need a Ziggy. Moose. Sorry, unboxing Moose. Next, I have Coco. Some people say Coca. It's Coco. That's just how I say it. Coco is a chocolate Labrador or lab. I need Ziggy and Moose. No, Coco. Okay. You will just move. Rocky's a bulldog. And I just need Moose. Okay, I'm gonna just let it focus. Okay, we're done. That part. Lucy's a Basset Hound mix. Part Basset, part Hound, part Dachshund. Her habit really isn't that secretive. I guessed it before I read the book. I have Ziggy and Moose, and I guessed it correctly. I just need Ziggy and Moose, sorry. Teddy's a Pomeranian, and I just need Mocha. I read Mocha in my library, so. Oscar's one of my favorites. And I just need Mocha and Molly. Oscar's a Schnauzer, sorry. Liberty's a golden retriever. And I just need Mocha and Molly. 1 second. Oh, sorry. You guys move. I don't know what I just did. Gizmo is a Sheltie. And I just need Mocha and Molly. Sorry. The Guide to Puppies. And I'm gonna actually read it silently with you, because I'm gonna let you read it a little bit. I finished, so that should have gave you enough time. So yeah, I read it on my screen. Oh my god! I'm like, I can't even see the next book. Cooper's a corgi, and I just need Molly and Zipper. But I ordered Zipper. It's gonna be either Tuesday or Thursday. Still a multiple. I just need Zipper. Sorry, I can't. Sorry, I can't. God, I got a pile of books. It's a pile. It's quite a big one. I do no podcast. sorry. Daisy's a Boston Terrier, and I just need Zipper. Gus is a Labradoodle, and that's the breed I have, but it's not like it's one of my favorites. And I just need Zipper and Boomer, which I both ordered. Boom, let's say. Little too much for the child to play. Okay, let's get these books. Okay. Sugar Gummy Lollipop. They are Puggles, part Pug, part Beagle. I just need Boomer. Next, I have Bonita. Bonita's a statue, and Bonita means pretty in Spanish. I need Boomer and Owl, which I both ordered. Oh my god. Last one is Champ. Champ is a German Shepherd, and I just need Nala, which I ordered. Okay. Lonesome Champ. Let me run and get it. Sorry, guys. You got to think about it right before your eyes. Oh, you're blocking sugar, but a lot of them are blocked, but whatever. That's the big messy pile of fun. Let's move Gus. You guys. That's a big messy pile of fun. I can't even get them all to focus in. And I stepped pretty far back. Actually, as far back as I can step. As far back as I can step. I can't step any further. No. Either we have to move Bonita and Cooper. And blocking the view. You're blocking the view, guys. Where? That's the big pile. Really big pile. So yeah. Bye. Just kidding. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Mainly just like, comment, and comment. Like, comment, comment, and maybe even subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe. subscribe. Sorry. Bye. Remember the 3 steps. Like, comment, and subscribe. Bye. Thank you for watching this video.